Well, we're back at the Sheldon Lathe again. Yesterday, while I was trying to make a cut, the drive line we started making some noise, and then the truck stopped spinning. So, upon some quick investigation, it appears, I don't even know if I can get a good shot of this. Oh, the pulley on the chuck is spinning on the shaft. So I don't know if there's like a set screw, but I mean, I looked in the parts exploded view of this U-drive underdrive assembly, and that shaft is keyed, and there's a set screw holding the pulleys on. So very quickly, let me demonstrate that the shaft is spinning and the pulley isn't. So, I've got to disassemble this thing and see what's going on. I'll bring you back when I start doing that. Here is the lower drive cabinet. You can see it's got the control knobs for selecting the speed of the spindle. These simply come off. These simply slide off like this. They have a key. Then you can open the door. I've not done any cleaning under here, so it's pretty much a mess. Again, I'm going to have to get to that pulley somehow, take the tension off the belts, and see what's going on. See if the key's been sheared, the keyway's been rounded off. I don't know. Alright, might as well start just getting into it. Alright, so I guess the first thing I had to do is just take a measurement on this, the length of the stud sticking out. So it looks like that here will take the tension from the motor to the these two pulleys. And I got to get those out of the way first, and then I can see what's going on with the pulley down there, which you can't really see right now, but this is what I got to work on right this moment. So it looks like it's about roughly 45 millimeters. You can see it doesn't seem like there's a lot of tension on those belts. 7/8. Now let's see, which way would it go? We want to raise it up. So is there one down here too? Yeah, there's one down there too. So back this one off. Here. See if I can get the belt off. And there's one. What am I caught on? Okay, one belt. Well, whatever's going on, that whole pulley wants to come off down there. Alright, so both belts are off. Alright, let me see if I can get you a shot way down here. Alright, I think that's probably the best shot I can get you. Let's see what happens when I try to move this pulley. Oh, there it comes right off. It don't come all the way off, but it does move. Well, that's nice. No key. Have they just been relying on set screws? I don't see a key in there. Like it came out. I don't see how it would come out, but well, I do not see a key laying in there, so it must have never had one. And the keyway on the shaft looks okay. The shaft isn't all messed up. It's just odd. And looks like this hub might have seen better days. Well, here's a shot of the pulley. It doesn't look horrible. But there was no keyway in there, or no key in the keyway. We got a set screw there, and another set screw there, and looks like that one here might have been the one that they had just tightened up and didn't have a key in there at all. I don't even know if I can loosen up those set screws. I'm going to have to put some WD-40 on there. They're a little bit rusty looking. If you hear some wind noise, that's the fan. It's kind of warm here today, a little humid. Alright, see if I can break these loose. Yeah, that's loose. Just the one, yeah, just the one set screw. It's not doubled up. Okay. Yeah, that one's loose too. And that's the one that's on the key, so that would be the one that's... Here's the only piece of key stock I have. I don't think I've got any smaller pieces of cold roll. This is ground stock. It's not hard or anything. It's a little bit thicker than I need, so I'll have to mill a little bit off. Cut it to length. Alright, another project. There's a piece of key stock. It's 250 by 300. I've got to cut it down. Maybe I'll mill a little bit off and then grind the rest. We'll see. But it's 1.5 inches long. This is going to be my key. Alright, here's the key. All ground up. And you can see that it goes here on the shaft. I don't know whether I'll be able to do this without getting in the way of the camera or not. There we go. Let's see, it's still not tight because that key on that hub is a little worn. But alright, let's see if I can get this belt on here. Looks pretty good right there. Now, tightening up. Now the other belt. Okay. There is that one. Now, see if I can get it out of here. All right. Yeah, that's probably good enough. I don't want to make them too tight. Okay. Alright, that's at the slowest speed. Well, I think that's another project all wrapped up. That one wasn't too bad. Still need to go through that whole underdrive and get new belts and everything else once I get the lathe all good to go and make sure everything is where I want it. But again, this is Mike with +8 Precision. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe. Please like, share, and comment. Give a thumbs up, give a thumbs down. Give me recommendations for content if you'd like to see something else. Again, this is a repair of the hub key on the main shaft. Thanks for watching.